Hello, my pretties. How about a smoothie? One that takes away hunger cravings, including those ones that we get at night. Tastes like heaven in a glass. Crazy health benefits. We're not adding any sugar. We're not adding any junk that doesn't belong in it. Just Mother Nature in its whole food, natural state. Blended up in a blender. So let's get started. First, get a good blender. Your canister, I filled it with water. And I don't measure this stuff out. I just, you can eyeball it. But I've also got a splash of either almond milk or coconut milk, or you can use coconut water or just straight up water. Totally up to you. So the main ingredients that I'm putting in it, or all of the ingredients, focus is down here. You can watch what I'm doing and hear me talk at the same time. So there's my stuff. So I got pineapple. I've got strawberries. These are little 8-ounce mason jars. I don't normally prepare it like this, but for the sake of this video, I'm demonstrating. There you go. Blueberries, probably about a handful of blueberries. Between the strawberries, blueberries, and pineapple chunks, you are getting a ton of digestive enzymes, fiber for gut health. Pineapple contains some bromelain, which is nature's pain reliever. Tons of antioxidants, kills free radical damage, anti-inflammation properties, stuff that's good for your skin, your blood, your internal organs, loaded with vitamins, just in those 3 things that we've got so far, okay? So let's keep going. And they also taste amazing when those 3 things are paired together. It tastes pretty damn good. So half a banana, somewhere between yellow and green, not all the way green, not all the way yellow. Kind of a small banana. Usually the half is a little bigger than that, but you get the idea. All right. Here's my main ingredient. Oh, here it is, right in front of my face. This here, you get your favorite meal shake. Not just, protein powder, but a full meal shake. A lot of them out there are junk. Put it back up here. 2 good ones. Just about anything by Vega or anything by Sunwire. Those are really good. Mine is different. This is my favorite here. And I'm not going to say the name here, but I'll put the link in the description, okay? And this is a particular meal shake mix that I've been consuming joyfully so and selling for over 10 years. So if it's something you want to try out, comes with a full buyback guarantee for 30 days, probably 29 more days than you'll need to know if you want to keep it or not. You can try it risk-free. I've been drinking it for over 10 years and selling it. I love this stuff. So, your favorite meal shake, mix, just like so. Optional, if you want to spice it up, I love cayenne pepper. You can, it doesn't really matter. It's going to have more health benefits, sure. Very anti-inflammatory. Cayenne pepper has a lot of good health properties, and I'm doing it mainly in this because I like the heat. So we'll call it a Mexican smoothie, I don't know. And that is about, oh yeah, one more ingredient. Coconut flakes. Gonna add some healthy fats and some electrolytes and some other nutritional values. I'll do, I don't know, a couple, 2 or 3 pinches worth. This particular one is Bob's Red Mill. There's no added sugar. It's just unsweetened coconut flakes. Unsulfured coconut flakes. So you gotta watch when you get things at the store. Read the actual ingredients on the back. Don't just read the label like I did. But if you read the ingredients, the ingredient is unsulfured coconut. That's it. It's just coconut flakes. There's nothing else added. Same thing if you buy bags of frozen strawberries, frozen, if you're not going to get the fresh produce stuff, make sure you read the ingredients on it. Make sure it just has the listed item that you're getting instead of a bunch of added junk. Because a lot of manufacturers sneak crap in there. Sort of defeats the purpose of a healthy medicinal smoothie, right? So just make sure you know what you're doing there. And when it comes to strawberries, get organic with anything whenever possible, but especially strawberries. Strawberries is part of the dirty dozen. What that means is it doesn't matter how much you wash it, you can scrub it. The pesticides and the chemicals they use to treat the strawberry is in the flesh. It's infused in the flesh, it's in the seeds, you can't get rid of it. In my opinion, you're better off not eating strawberries or adding strawberries to this at all if you don't do organic. So let it be organic strawberries. And that's it. Now I get my blender part here. Maybe add just a touch more water. I like mine sort of between thick and not thick, sort of in the middle. Some days I might want a real thick smoothie that I have to eat with a spoon, so you can play with that. Okay. Typically I just drink it right out of the canister, but for this display purpose of this video, I will get out a glass. There's the inside of my cupboard. Oh no. Look at that. Oh my God, that looks like heaven. Heaven in a glass, right? Let's try it out. I wish you could smell this. You can see its richness and color, right? You can, it's amazing. I wish you could smell it, and I want you to taste it. Now this, I've made so much for myself. For me, this is a good 2 servings, so I'll have some now, and I'll have some later. Could be late at night, could be first thing in the morning. Any time of day, this stuff is great. And if you suffer from hunger pains, when you just eat yourself silly, that would be a great time. Whatever time of day, for a lot of people, that's at nighttime, like an hour or so before bedtime, couple hours, whenever that happens to be. This would be a great thing to make. And because of all the fibers that's in there with some of these ingredients that we put in, it's going to be more blood sugar friendly, which is really great at night for a lot of people that struggle with that. And it's also going to push things through your intestines like a scrub brush. Very healthy, gut health. You don't want that bile collecting there. A lot of people, the average adult, I've read all kinds of studies, but it seems to be anywhere between 10 and 25 pounds of undigested bile in their gut. And people are walking around with that all day long, and it sits there, it putrefies, and it causes a lot of disease, a lot of health problems. And you got to get a diet that's rich in fibers, solubles and insolubles, and push that stuff through gently. Your diet, among other things, should be gently detoxifying your body on a daily basis. And at first, if you're not used to it, you might spend a weekend in the bathroom, who knows? But then once you get all that crap out of you, pun intended, then it's a really, really nice, soothing feeling. My gut feels so good every day, and every day my body is gently detoxifying on a daily basis. When I first changed my diet to this, like 13 and a half years ago, well over 10 years ago, I did have that weekend in the bathroom. It wasn't too bad, but after that, man, I mean, this was over a decade ago, things just flow through. The day goes by much more easily and calming, and there's a really great sustainable energy. And this smoothie in particular really does a great job at killing hunger cravings. I get those really bad at night, so I'll make myself one of these, completely satisfied. It tastes amazing. It's like a guilty pleasure, except there's nothing to feel guilty about because it's crazy healthy for you. So I hope you try it out. Use your favorite meal shake. And if you want to try what I've been using for well over 10 years and selling for over 10 years, I will put the link in the description to that product, and you can check it out. It comes with a full buyback guarantee. And I'd love to know if you try it. Comment and tell me what meal shake you will be using. And tell me if you're going to try this, how it goes, and if you make any variations upon what I did, if you use the cayenne pepper for the extra heat option or not. I'd love to hear anything you want to share about it. And my website, tombirkenmeyer.com. I've got a recipe area there, tons of recipes, more smoothies, all kinds of different recipes, stuff you can make in 10 minutes or less, a few ingredients or less. Check it out. A healthy, comprehensive grocery list that's in order by categories they'd be at the grocery store. A whole Get Healthy resource there with information to help you along your way. And check it out, tombirkenmeyer.com. Cheers. And I'll close on this note. I got this from an 11-year-old about 10 years or so ago, so I guess this would be a 20-something-year-old now. You're either going to pay the farmers or the hospitals. Remember that organic strawberry? It's going to be a nickel more than the unorganic strawberry, but that nickel is going to be cheaper than healthcare-related costs. And at the same time, you're protecting the land and rewarding the farmers who are doing good by the land and not poisoning the soil, so that we can continue to have more healthy food. So support the farmers, the organic farmers, support the land, support the health of yourself and your family, and also protect your pocketbook from hospital and drug company expenses. It's a better life. Mwah! Bye for now.